Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to add calendar in Google Sheets. So, let's dive right in. Open a new Google Sheet or use an existing one. Navigate to the top menu bar and select Data. Then, Data Validation. This feature in Google Sheets allows you to control what type of data can be entered into specific cells. In the sidebar that appears on the right-hand side of your spreadsheet, click Add Rule. This will create a new rule that you can customize to restrict the type of input allowed in your chosen cells. Under the Criteria section, select Date Is. This tells Google Sheets that you only want to allow valid date entries in the cells with this rule applied. Click Done. Now, whenever you click on a cell with this validation rule applied, a handy pop-up calendar will appear for you to choose a date. This can be a great way to ensure accuracy when working with dates in your spreadsheet. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.